Operations that rely on motor-driven pump need to reduce unplanned downtime and maintain high performance. Improving your ability to predict potential failures will help, and getting that information without costly intervention is crucial. Let me tell you about ATV Predict Pump Analytics in 60 seconds. The solution uses advanced analytics integrated into our ATV 600 variable speed drive. No additional sensors are required, nothing to install on the pump itself. Artificial intelligence algorithm analyze data from the drive into the pump, accurately predicting various potential pump fault conditions. An integrated dashboard alerts you to unusual condition with indicator for remaining useful life, asset health, stress level, and energy efficiency losses due to fault. The ability to more accurately predict potential failures can reduce unplanned downtime, improve maintenance planning, enhance sustainability, and reduce costs. Want to protect your pump applications and maintain optimal performance? Contact your Schneider Electric representative to learn more.